Hi, I'm Parker Hadley, and this is my video reflection over the CIS110 first semester course. Um, CIS110, when I first started taking the class, I didn't know really what to expect from it. About the first week into it, I was actually pretty nervous for the class because it seemed to involve like a lot of writing and a lot of like speaking and presentation. And when I first heard that, like I wasn't really excited for it because it was in a class full of new people that I didn't really know a whole lot, and just kind of getting up and speaking in front of them was really nerve-wracking for me. So our first few assignments in the class were pretty stressful for me, and I made sure to start on them ahead of time because I really didn't know what I was doing. I hadn't really written like a college paper before, but this class really like helped me understand, how to cite my sources correctly and how to make sure my formatting's right and how to really like get my message across as a speaker. Um, yeah, so I remember working really hard on our first speech that we had to do. And I remember leading up to the class for presenting for it, I was super nervous about it and anxious. But as soon as I got up there and gave my speech, like I just felt really calm and relaxed. And I was like, like I can get behind this. Like it really wasn't that hard. Like the instructor really like gave me the tools I needed to get this done, and everything that he said really helped me and helped me feel really comfortable in the class. So that made this semester really easy for me, and this actually ended up being one of my favorite classes that I took this semester because it was very like loose and very conversational, but at the same time it was very informative and helped me learn a lot of valuable things that'll be really helpful for me later on in college. Because now in other classes I've had other papers that I have had to write for, and since I now know what to do, like it makes it a whole lot easier where I would have been stressing like a whole lot before. Um, yeah, everything that we talked about and covered in the class, like I thought it was a great introduction class. I think it really, um, it helps you learn the hard stuff that nobody really tells you, but people expect you to know. Like there's a lot of things that I feel like people just really expect students to know when writing college papers and when presenting and speaking and stuff like that. Um, that at least I didn't know. I know that a lot of people do, but I know that I didn't. So I was really grateful to have this course to help me kind of critique some of the things that I needed some help on. And I'm definitely going to use it for the rest of my college career. Now, anytime that I have papers to write, I know good places to go to look up resources. I know how to cite my things, and I know so many tools around campus too to help me get stuff done. Um, I'm really glad I took this course, especially with me being in a media arts um, communications major. I know that I'm gonna have a lot of stuff where it's on like speaking and giving um, presentations in front of people. So I'm really glad that I got to take this course and kind of get past all the nerves of presenting and writing papers in college. Because now I feel so much more prepared and so much better off for the rest of my college experience. So I loved the CIS 110 course. I thought it was a great course. And I'm super glad I took it, and I'm glad that I had a great semester. Thank you guys.